We'll see who's ready for what, Joni.
You ready for this?
Go for it, Joni. Get you an apple.
I can't reach.
You're going to have to get Joni a chair. Ready.
Put your hands behind your back, Johnny.
Joni, don't snort the water. Just get you an apple.
I'll be like,
Get you an apple.
Joni, do you want to go afterwards? After we go? I'll go.
Okay, come on, Michaela. Let's see how you got, girl.
What do I grab it at?
You just bite into it. You got to push it all the way against the bottom of the sink. She got it. She did it. Who's next?
I'll go.
That's your apple. Take it with you. Oh, you got it now?
Where's the ponytail?
Joni preparing. I would take your glasses off if I were you.
Oh, these.
Okay, Joni. Come on. You can do it. Ready, Joni?
I don't want to touch the drain. I could die.
I cleaned it. You're good with bleach.
It
Go.
won't go through. Okay.
Nope. Go. She sucks at this.
Okay, Joni.
Oh.
I can't breathe.
Okay, it's somebody else's turn.
It's underwater. You're not supposed to breathe. I actually need to hold my nose when I'm underwater.
She did it! She grabbed it by the little stem. Okay, next.
That's what I'm going to do.
Come on, hop up there. And see what you got. That sucks. She had to get it by the little stem too. Oh, look at that. That's your apple. Back up.
I did mine differently. I feel like a win.
Okay, ready?
Without riding this stem, I
Come on. Let's see you bite the apple.
Get into it. Push it into a corner.
She's already going for a stem. She's not even getting her face wet.
I don't want to. Okay. Push it into a corner. It's easy.
Don't help her.
I want that one.
Get it. She's eyeing her apple. She dropped it.
Got it. I didn't.
She didn't.
Can we get another one? You go first. You go first.
Go ahead, Christina.
You go first.
None of you bitten on it.
Which one did she bite?
None of them. They haven't
Which
bite
one
any
did
of them.
she lick?
No, none of them. Just go.
Which one do I want?
Come on, Christina.
Which one's the reddest?
Just get one.
That one.
She's going to try and grab the stem, too. Push it down the bottom of the sink and take a bite out of it.
Okay. I can't reach over that far.
She's moving everybody from behind. Yay!
Okay.
Did you get it by the stem?
No.
Oh, show us your bite. Yay! Come on, Jennifer.
Can I do it real quick?
Hop out of the way.
One more try. Slice.
Come on, Joni.
Your face is going. I want
You
to
gotta
try.
stand like I did. And then push your face down and
Yeah,
push it
push
to
your
the
face
left.
down and take a bite out of
She
it.
only got it by the stem.
Yes. No hands. No hands.
You
She
cheater.
just keeps dipping her face in the water. No hands.
You gotta do it like I
Please, that's not cool.
Come on. He's going to drown. Okay. We have to explain to her mother why she drowned. I swear, Amanda, I thought she knew what she was doing. Okay, Joni, you're going to have to let Jennifer try.
Here
Get out of the way.
Go, Joni. Let Jennifer try.
Get out of the way. Let Jennifer try. Hey, Joni.
Here.
Let's see. You got to push it down. No hands.
Oh my
Yay! Ta-da!
She got
She got her apple fast.
Joni, that makes
Joni, are you want to try again?
I didn't do it. I attacked her. I'm not.
Wait, I want to watch
Can I
this.
cut mine? Because I can't.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can cut it. Get her a nice
Give her
A knife.
Okay.
sure.
What you do is you get your mouth on an apple and you push it against the bottom of the
Yeah.
thing and you bite into it right when you get to the bottom.
Stop.
She's moving them with her hands.
She sticks her head in there so long.
She's got to be the worst apple bobber I've ever seen. She's breathing underwater.
You're a weirdo.
Yeah.
Come on, Joni. Come on. She's going to drown.
You can do it. One more try.
One more try, Joni.
Next.
Her jacket's wet.
Oh my goodness, she's okay.
You can do it, Joni.
I was deeper. I stick everything.
I'm fixing to fall asleep.
You should have done it in your tub.
My head hit the In the tub.
Down for it.
She